Today I'd like to share something special. That things I'd like to show you city of the Russia. This is the Russia city, and I am just standing on the front of the Russia Moscow railway station. This is the Moscow railway station. I am standing on the front of the railway station. You can show all over the area. There is also nice place. You can see it all over the area. Here is the nice railway station. I have just visited the railway station regarding for the some of the work. So today I come in the Russia railway station, and very nice this is railway station. Also people here too much, as you can see. This is the front of the railway station. There is two line. One line is metro and one line is the express. Today I just journey from the express, and we have just standing in front of the Russia Moscow railway station. And also here too much rush today, and nice weather also today. Not cold, not summer also, and weather is so nice today. And also here good hotels also and good cafe also. Just I visiting this cafe, kievsky. In here we have just visited the kievsky. We have taking the snacks foods, and after come the exit, and we are just standing in front of the Russia Moscow railway station. It's a very nice railway station. Look like very nice. I have seen many railway stations in the Russia, but Moscow railway station is very nice. And also facility also here in the railway. First of the facility we can discuss. TT also always checking the ticket also, and most important is here train is not the late. Train always on the time. It's a must important for the passenger who is traveling from the Russia metro and express also, because these things is very nice, because I like in the Russia. When I travel in the Russia, there is 5 minutes also not from the train late. On the time, always on the time. It's a very good. If we will compare from the India, here is nice, but in India there is always coming the train late, but also that is good. Some the train is coming late, some of the train is coming on the time, but here train, no one train can come late. It's a very good things for every passengers. So that's why many people like to travel the Russia metro and express also. And very good moment today, you can show it. So today I think should be to make some video regarding for the our YouTube friends and seniors and juniors also. So today we are making some of the video, and please watch this video, end of the video, and you can show the all over the area in the Russia Moscow railway station. And it's a very good moment today, and also very good city. Mostly I like, and we have visited 3 or 4 times in the Russia metro railway station. But today it's a weather is very nice, so that's why we have made some of the video regarding for the our